43rd, they're here. G'day, welcome back to the Authentic Offices. We are back here again. It's actually Bathurst week. There's a whole lot going on, so this one's a little bit late in coming out. As a matter of fact, these ones are actually here already. The container turned up earlier last week. So let's get into having a look. This is a massive pile of 43rds we've got for all you 43rd collectors. We've got Camaros, we've got Mustangs, we've got 23, we've got 24, we've got it all. Let's bust them out and have a look. Oh boy, that took a little bit of time. Still, we've got it all done. Now they're all open. Let's jump in and do a bit of a deep dive on each set of cars. Let's start that end. Here we have the 2023 Indigenous Liveries from Coca-Cola Racing. We've got Will Davison, and his is based on the better Darwin Triple Crown. And we've got Anton Di Pasquale, who was the race 17 winner at the NTI Townsville 500. Both of these cars actually look really good in 43rd scale. Generally, most people expect a bit of a reduction in quality in terms of level of detail in liveries when they get to this scale. You don't have to worry about that. These cars look absolutely mint. As everybody knows, I'm a bit of a fan of the Indigenous rounds, and these cars are probably some of my favourites. So yeah, I'm definitely a bit of a fan of these two. Let's go and have a look at some other ones. 2023 cars. Camaros, Erebus Camaros, Bathurst Pole Camaros. Okay, so this time we've got the 2023 Bathurst cars from Erebus in the Coke livery, as we all remember it. That year Brodie was actually the pole sitter, so that's what that car is. And obviously if we're going to do one, we'll do the other. So we did the pair. So basically they're set up as Brodie Kostecki and David Russell, Will Brown and Jack Perkins. Both of these cars kind of complete a set. If you're into collecting Erebus stuff, they're definitely worth having. We've got more Erebus stuff coming. Let's have a look at them. Nothing but winners. Championship winner, Bathurst winner. So if you collect either of those series, I know a lot of people do Bathurst winners and I know a lot of people do championship winners, you need these. So this is the 2024 Bathurst winner as driven by Brodie and Todd, and we've done that in 18 scale. We're also doing that in 12 scale, so it'll be in virtually every scale we've ever done. And the 2023 championship winner, which is Brodie all on his own. Yeah, if you're trying to complete a set, you'll need these, so grab them if you can. If you can't, you're going to be scrounging around on the second-hand market. I think these are going to go up in value pretty quick because they're still reasonably low numbers. Let's go and have a look at some Mustangs. Mustangs, 2023 Mustangs. We've got a Bathurst Mustang and we've just got a standard Mustang. That makes it sound bad. Let's do that again. Yeah. Right, Mustang time. Okay, we've got the 2023 Wildcard as driven by Simona Di Silvestro and Kai Allen at the 2023 Bathurst 1000. That's definitely a cool car. The 1/18 scale went off its brain in terms of everybody wanting it. I'm fairly certain this will probably be the same thing for the 43rd. And we've got the 2023 Snowy River Caravans Mustang as driven by James Courtney. Definitely a cool car. The color on that, as always, the teal. Love it. Definitely brilliant. We've got a couple of other ones to get through and that'll pretty much be it. So let's go through these last two and we're done. Camaro, Mustang. Let's start with this one. This is the 2021 Gen 3 launch car as driven by Shane Van Gisbergen around Bathurst at the time. We've done this in all scales. If you're interested, grab this one. It's definitely a cool one to have. And we also have our design of the 500 round celebration livery for Dick Johnson Racing, kind of done in the true blue style. Definitely a cool car. Actually went nuts as a 1/18 scale. I dare say it's probably going to do the same thing here. Yeah, very cool cars. If you're interested, go and grab them. Right, well, there you go. We've all had a bit of a close look at what's coming. Actually, not coming, it's here. are pretty much for the 43rds. These will be released in a staggered pattern as we always do. So while they're here, they may not come out for a couple of weeks. That's just the way things happen around here. Keep your eye out at your local stockist, or if you've actually registered your interest with us on the website, you should get a notification when they're about to be released. In the meantime, keep collecting and we'll see you on the next one. All right, take it easy.